Home run for today was a gap and go setup on KODK. It's important when you're trying to find your plays, you need to read the news carefully. Sometimes the news is pretty significant. Like in the case of KODK, one of our top plays, they got a 600 million proceeds coming to them from their pension revision, which they could clear their debt. They basically could start fresh with such a capital infusion. It was a fundamentally huge news for KODK. In the pre-market live planning, I gave the support of 622, resistance 650. I told the traders long if MTF clouds hold. So the concepts we use here were our Ripster clouds. It broke over the 50 and 20 MTF, which is a big bullish move. And when we saw this first candle pushing higher, that was the long on KODK, because and it was also a daily breakout. If you see, it was breaking key levels on the daily chart, breaking over 7 and also breaking over this level. So that's when it happened. I told the traders long. I gave the stops at 670. As we started to move up, we started to move our stops up. We started with 670 stops, we moved them to 7, then we moved the stops to 720, and then we hit a flag break. You see, this is the flag break. I alerted the flag break, and our target was $8, and we did squeeze to the $8 as well. Let's say you're risking $1,000 there, and you're making 5-6 grand based on that risk, because small price stock, you can size better. But you see, when it breaks the pre-market highs, it's a long, and you see it's pushing over the Ripster MTF cloud. So concepts like these, look at your daily charts, look at the volume. Average volume was 900%. You can use my indicators for that, and you can just hold it long all the way long. But you need to hold the clouds, you need to watch these flag breakouts, and also you need to plan in the pre-market, understand how big the news is. If there's some news which is really fundamentally changing for a company, it will see a good response. And as you see, that KODK was all day higher low, flag break, and it pushed all the way to 8. No hindsight, no BS. I even tweeted about it. So you see the KODK I gave in the morning plan as well. Very strong move, and it is like a meme stock, and it just ran up pretty nicely. So that was a beautiful trade. Very proud of this trade. You have to find such news and trade these low price stocks and use Ripster clouds. If we had broken the clouds here, we would not have longed it. We only longed it because it was holding Ripster 512 clouds. So that was a beautiful setup. So make sure next time you see a big news in the pre-market, you see it's trading over the key MTF clouds, breaking the daily resistance, you take that long. Beautiful setup, KODK.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.